300 kilometers more. It's raining already. Careful.
Want some soup?
No.
Dzień dobry. Jeden Zurich. What?
2-4 miles? And ask the lady first there where to park. That's the great way.
I think there is a parking.
Okay. Hi, I'm checking in. Janina. Janina. You need the passport of other two?
The booking is for 2 nights, 3 adults, and already paid without breakfast. Do you want to add the breakfast or you want to decide in the morning?
How much is the breakfast?
25 euro per person.
And the breakfast is here, right?
Here in the restaurant, not here on the website. And the evening, the restaurant is open until 10 p.m. The bar until 1 a.m. also here on the left side.
And the parking is fine, right? We park downstairs.
Yeah, parking
It's gonna
already
be
inside?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's 20 euro per night. You can pay it by checkout.
Okay.
But if you want
You
to
need a
drive
ticket
out,
after?
I don't even know. If you want to drive out, you get a new ticket from us here. You just need to come to us and then ask for a ticket and drive out. Yeah?
Okay.
Room for you on the 6th floor, 6th retreat. You go up, you need to use the room key, also inside the elevator.
Okay.
Also from parking, yeah?
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much.
welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so here's the bed. We have a queen bed and a sofa bed. And here's the view. It's not the best view. It should be on the other side, but what to do? We have a big television. I don't know how many inches, but it's big. One chair. And then there is like a coffee station here, which is not the best also. It's so simple. There is a telephone, lamp, and the space where you can put your luggage, and the washroom, which is not that big, the sink, there's towel, and the mirror, and the shower. So on the other side, the toilet. And then when you go out, there is a small closet in front of the washroom. There is a safety box where you can put your belongings, the small closet with 4 hangers. Thank you for watching. Bye! So we are now in Berlin. Sobrang ganda. Pupunta kami, magdi-dinner kami, and kailangan namin i-try yung... Okay, I will find a tour. I think that one, George Brew House. Thank you. Wow. Tell her to finish.
Салат получается на все.
Wow, it's
Okay. First try.
Я не буду. У меня какие-то.
Там она маленькая. Здесь курица. А тут тебе сказать, что ты не съешь с тарелки.
Ваша жена дома или?
Да. Я не знаю. Свою маму не знаю.
Сделала фотографию, отошлю ей. Поставь пиво возле себя, покажу, мама пиво пьет. Возьми в руки, просто Юрий. Возьми, да, держи.
Just drinking, what's your vibe? Just drinking, just drinking, what's your vibe?
Makatapos lang ng dinner and nag-walking na kami. Ayan, aray ko. Ikaw pa kung maano.